Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE Loans. Go to the instruction file. So, assignment title is EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE Townsend Mortgage Company. Go to the projects tab. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start a download and open the file name exp22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE Loan Excellence Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is you would like to create a formula to calculate the amount financed for each loan. Enter a formula in a cell D8 to calculate the amounts financed for the first mortgage. Once completed, copy the formula down completing the column D. Enter a formula in the cell D8. Select the cell as D8. Amounts financed and calculate the amount financed for the first mortgage. Once completed, copy the formula completing column D. Type is equal to and select the cell house cost is a cell B8 minus C8 down payment. Press enter button. Once complete, copy the formula down completing column D. Copy the formula D8 to D12. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is you would like to create a formula to calculate the monthly interest rate per a period for each loan. Enter a formula in a cell F8. Calculate the monthly interest rate for the first loan at the shade absolute reference for cell B8 and then use the fill handle. Copy the formula down completing column F. Enter a formula cell F8 rate per period. Select the cell as F8. Calculate the monthly interest rate for the first loan and apply the absolute reference cell B5 and fill the formula. Copy the formula down completing column F. Type is equal to and type the select the cell is mortgage rate V8 divided by B5. Payments per year. Press F4 button. Absolute reference. Press enter. Fill a handle to copy the formula down completing column F. Copy the formula in a cell F12. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is a you would like to calculate the total number of payment period for each loan. To complete the task, you will choose the mixed cell reference as the alternative to absolute cell reference. Enter a formula in cell H8 to calculate the total number of payment periods per loan. Use an mixed cell references for a cell B5 and then use the fill handle to copy the formula down. Complete a column H. Select the cell is H8, payment of periods in a cell selected as a H8 and use the absolute cell reference cell B5, then use the fill handle, copy the formula H. Type is equal to and select the year G8 multiply by B5 is a payment per year. Press F4 button, absolute cell reference, press enter. Use the fill handle, copy the formula down, complete a column match. Copy the formula. So our question number 4 is a complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is a you would like to calculate the total value of the homes being financed and use the auto sum in a cell B16. Calculate the total value of all homes sold. Use the auto sum in a cell B16. Calculate the total value for all homes sold. Select the cell is B16 and insert the auto sum function. Type is equal to and type the sum function. And range is a housing cost B8 to B12. Close bracket, press enter button. So result is a housing cost. Question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a you would like to calculate the average value for all homes being purchased and use the auto sum in a cell B70 to calculate the average value of all homes being purchased. Use the auto sum in a cell B17. Select the cell as B17 and calculate the average value of all homes being purchased. Type is equal to and type the average function. Average function is a range is house cost. B82, B12, close bracket, press enter button. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a you would like to calculate the median value of all homes being purchased. Enter a function in a cell B18 to calculate the median value of all homes being financed. In the cell B18, calculate the all homes being financed. B18 type is equal to and type the median function. And number 1 is the housing cost B82, B12, close bracket, press enter button. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is a you would like to display the cost of the least expensive home. Enter a function in the cell B90 to display the value of the least expensive home financed. Enter a function cell B19. Select the cell as B19 and display the value of least expensive home financed. Type is equal to and type the minimum function. And number 1 is the range value of the least expensive home financed. Housing cost range B82, B12, close bracket, press enter button. So question number 8 is the complete. We can move to the question number 9. You would like to display the value of the most expensive home financed. Enter a function in the cell B20 to display the most expensive home financed. Enter a function in the cell B20. Select the cell as B20. Display the most expensive home finance. Type is equal to and type the max function. And range is the house cost. Close bracket, press enter button. So question number 9 is the complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is you would like to determine the total number of home finance. Enter a function in a cell B21 to count the total number of homes being financed based on the Value column B. Enter a function in the cell B21. Select the cell as B21 and count the total number on being financed based on the value column B. Type is equal to and type the count function and percentage of mortgage is a AA2 A12. Close bracket, press enter button. Value of column B. Question number 10 is a complete. Go to the question number 11. So question number 11 is a to complete your calculations you will use the fill handle to copy the previously created function. Use the fill handle to copy the function in the range B62 B21. Throw the range C62 D21 and C62 D21. So question number 11 is a complete.